photographer, Lenny, climbing inside of a tree. The camera is a Nikon S6000. It's on though. Just being somewhat out of focus as I move it. But once we get up to where the bees should just fine. The 6000 model, so it's a pocket rocket. And the concerns today are that the temperature right now is warm. I'd say it's about early 70s. The time 10 the day when the bees are going to be more active than usual. More active than usual for a few days. And there's probably something serious going on because a lot. They aren't finishing the opening of the hive yet, to me that it was hot on the inside. But in just a second, you'll be able to see how much activity next to the camera. It's downloaded in the some bees had to fly. And bees get annoyed when they have to do that. Okay. Camera is all the way to the highest spot I can reach. Into the say 50% to get it enough. A little bit when I see this, and I'll see what's above. It's honey here. It's larva. The bee is buzzing low ahead. And follow every single time. I can get closer and further away from my head. So no. If you see a bee from far, say I have the screen walking just into the tree, that means that towards my finger, like the one that's about yeah. But I'm going to back out now and do this. And a 10-time magnifier. Next, we'll go from that. One particular with that last recording showing the inside of the tree, it was mostly set for macro, so it didn't go all the way down. All the way down inside the tree. Now it's going to be scene mode, which may or may not focus at the beginning of the tunnel or the hole in the tree, but will probably to focus the side and put some light down into the hive. Oops, moved up a little too quickly that time. Try to sink a light on me. However, you heard this clip, you know that they certainly ran into the camera a number of times. Alrighty now. An appetite of the hive. Me like crazy. About 10. Happy. I'm showing inside the hive. Showing the entire hive. What's at the bottom? That's scary. On the other was a lot of. He's bringing in now. I don't think they're acting young right now. One thing. Change the focus a little bit. See if that'll get me in. But no. So I have to back away to show anything in there. I can't focus it very well. Well, we'll see when it's done. Running about 15 bees a second, which is a little bit more than I would normally feel comfortable with. But I'm pretty sure that these girls know me. I'm sticking my hand in this hole for 3 years. I always come back to the same spot.